The 2015 Mercedes GLA. The Mercedes GLA-Class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of the other Mercedes models. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.